Okay, let's give you guys some practice. So here, work out the area of this purple wave. Okay, so this here is from 0 to 20, and the equation for the red line, for this red line here, the equation for this line here is given by this, and the equation for this blue line here is given by this. Okay, and notice that the gap in between the two, the vertical distance here is 2. Okay, so this height is 2. Okay. So work out, well, the ultimate question here is really, the area of this purple wave here, is that the same as the area of this straight rectangle here? So it's still from 0 to 20, and the height here is still 2, so 5 and 3. So this height here is 2. But the question is the area of this wave here the same as the area of this rectangle here? So anyway, work out the area of this wave here, and then later. But hang on, let me move this this up here. Hang on. So let me move this up here. Hang on. So the question here is, which is bigger, the area of the wave here, or the area of the rectangle here? Okay, because you could argue that you could argue that, okay, let's cut up this wave here into vertical strips. Okay, and then slide this up here, slide up, well, line up everything, and then eventually it will turn into a rectangle. So if you cut up all these strips here vertically, and then you can slide each one so that they all level up, and then it will eventually become a rectangle. You can make an argument that, well, you could argue that, and then the two areas should be the same. But then when you look at it, this area here seems to be a lot bigger than the rectangle down here. Well, anyway, do whatever you want. Find well, the ultimate question here is this area the same as the rectangle? So basically, find the area of this wave here from 0 to 20. Find the area of that wave. Okay, so yeah, so find the area of that wave. If it's bigger, then don't forget this height is 2. This length here is 20. If it's bigger than 40, if the area of this wave here is bigger than 40, then we know that this area here is bigger. But anyway, do whatever you want. Find the area of that wave. Okay, so press pause and have a go. Okay, so to do this here, the area of this wave here is really you trying to find out well, integrate it to find out hang on, let me move this. Find out the area of the whole thing. So integrate it. Looking at the red line, find the area of the whole thing. Okay, find the area of this whole thing, and then take away the area of the bottom wave. Okay, and then that will give you your strip. Okay, so for example, hang on. So what you have to do is work out the area of the whole wave first. So hang on. So work out the area of this red wave here, the total area of the red wave. Okay, from 0 to 20. Okay, it's from 0 to 20, and then you take away the area of the blue wave here. So that will, if you do that, it will eventually give you the area of your strip, your wave. Okay, so there, what's left is really, what's left here, you can see, is the area of the strip. Okay, so the trick here is to yeah, well, let's do it. So integrate it, find out the area from 0 to 20, and then take away the area, then integrate this, and then find the area from 0 to 20 of this, and then we can get this, take away this. Hang on, you see what I mean later. Okay, so the area of this wave here, from 0 to 20 will be given by this. Hang on, will be given by this. Okay, So the area of that wave will be given by this. So basically find out the area here and then take away this area here. So integrate this. That will then give you this from 0 to 20, and then do the same over here. Integrate this, it will give you this. Integrate this will give you 3x from 0 to 20. Okay. So now evaluate this. So evaluate this will give you this whole thing here, and then this takeaway here is this takeaway, and then this thing here is this whole thing here. Okay, so it's really you putting this into here, that will give you this. Put this into here, that will give you this, and then this, put it into here, it will give you this. Put this into here, it will give you this, and so on. Okay, so tidy that up, and then it will become this, and then these two will cancel each other out, and then it's really 100 take away 60, and it turns out the area is 40. And then when you look at the so the area of that wave, the area of the wave here, this area here, the purple area here, is 40. And then if you look at the area of the straight rectangle here, the height is 2, the across here is 20, so the area here is also 40. As it turns out, both areas are the same, as it turns out. But when you look at it, this one seems a lot bigger than this one. But as it goes, the two areas are the same. So you can make this argument where you cut everything up into really small strips, and then line them all up, and then eventually this thing here becomes a rectangle. It doesn't matter if you don't understand my explanation here. It's really hard to illustrate it. You need I need to do some animation in order for you to see this. But if you cut up into really small strips, you can eventually line up each strip. So this thing here will become the rectangle. It's hard to explain it. I really need animation to explain it to you. But as it turns out, this area here is the same as this area here. Okay?